Before and after 5 minutes at home, let me show you exactly how. The first thing I reach for is my Maybelline Express Brow Ultra Sim pencil. One end is the pencil, the other side is the spoolie. I always start by brushing all the brow hair downward first. This shows you exactly what you're working with. The sparse areas, the gaps, where you actually need to fill. These two areas most people miss, the middle section and the tail. We are fixing them both. Now with the pencil, and this is most important, you follow the direction of your hair growth. Short, light strokes. You're mimicking hair, not drawing a line. And then the spoolie goes back in to blend everything out. That's what makes it look real and not drawn on. Now I'm carving the upper part of the brow, keeping it parallel to the bottom line. Clean and consistent is the goal here. Blend again. Spoolie goes through again, always. This is the trick I love. I take the pencil and line it up from the corner of my eye upwards. Where it meets the brow, that's exactly where your tail should end. I mark it with a dot and then draw to it. You are always holding your brow pencil towards the end. That means you're not applying too much pressure and it's easy to work with. Just look at the difference already, and we're not even done yet. Now a soft parallel line along the bottom of the brow to frame it. And do not forget the front. Hair-like strokes, light ones. The front of the brow should never look harsh. It needs to fade in naturally. Take your spoolie and blend it again. And then I redefine the bottom line one more time just to sharpen it. That's the difference tightening the shape makes. Front to tail, it's fully framed. Now to set everything in place, I'm going in with my ABH brow gel. I use a flat side first to backcomb all the hair. This coats every strand. Then I use the other comb side to put everything back in place so it's clean and doesn't move. I have just started using this brow gel, but I can say that it doesn't feel crunchy and it doesn't leave those whitish kind of marks on my brow hair. My brow hair is pretty thick, so this one is really working well. And now this is the last step, and it's the one that makes everything look more intentional. I'm using the NARS Spot Concealer with a flat brush. I'm carving it very softly underneath the brow and a little at the front, and just catching the top edge too. This basically cleans any wobbles, sharpens the shape, and gives that highlighted lifted look underneath the brow. And that is the final result. Defined, clean, natural looking brows in 5 minutes at home. If this helped, you hit that like button. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.